In this video, guys, I'm going to walk you guys step-by-step guide on how you can install a Forex Trading Bot into your MT4 account right now. Before we start, kindly make sure you subscribe to this video and turn on the video notification so that YouTube can spread this video to others. And also check on this video description. You are going to see our official Telegram group. So our official Telegram group is where we offer our Forex Trading Bot services, and also we share signals for arbitrage trading. Right. So let's dive into the main topic. Right. This is my VPS. For some of you that doesn't know what is VPS, VPS is a virtual private server. Right. So it helps your account to keep trading 24/7 without anything to interrupt it. Okay, so that is the function of VPS, and it's very, very important for you to have a VPS so that your account can keep trading. The next thing for you to do is for you to copy your Forex Trading Robot file into the VPS, right? So in this case, my own robot file is already in the VPS, so I'm just for me to copy it right now. So let me copy it right now and take it to my MT4, right? So you click your MT4, you make sure it opens this way. So once it opens, you are going to go to this up and turn this auto trading on. So right, you make sure this auto trading is on. If it is off, your Forex robot is not going to open trade. So right now you go to your file, then after your file, you see open data folder, then you double tap it. Once it open, you are going to come to MQL4. Take note of this MQL4. Then once the MQL4 open, you are going to go to expert. Then once it opens here, this is where you are going to paste the Forex robot file here. So once you are done pasting this Forex robot file, okay, let me paste it, right? Okay, right now you can see I've pasted. You can see the AT bot, right? Then I'm going to go ahead and minimize. Then I'll go ahead and drag any chart of my choice, which you can see over here. Then I'll come to my view. Then I'll go to my navigator. So once I go to my navigator, okay, let me drag this up so that I can see. You can see everything yourself. Then right now, after you open your navigator, you're going to see expert advisor. Then you right click and refresh. After you've refreshed, automatically you are going to see your Forex Trading Bot. Then the next thing for you to do, okay, let me expand this chart, right? It's for you to drag in this Forex Trading Bot into the Forex chart, right? So once you drag it, you just go ahead and click OK after you've set everything in the Forex Robot file, right? Just for you to click OK. Now, take note of this after you've done with the OK. So you make sure you go right here and check if the robot is smiling. If the robot is smiling, you actually know that you've successfully installed your Forex Trading Robot and it is ready for him to trade. So this is how you can actually install your Forex Trading Robot. Thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this video.